Hello everyone. So here is class 10 physics electricity formula sheet. So I have given the complete formulas which is there in the electricity chapter, and along with that I have also given the roadmap here, the complete roadmap with current, voltage, resistance. In the resistance, series and parallel, what is electric power, what are three different formulas for the power. It can be VI, I square R and V square by R, what it really means. Let's solve some more problems in it as well. And the electrical energy, so heat, yes, I square RT. So certain formulas which is really associated. So easy roadmap so you can remember what really the complete chapter holds. And also 5 minutes, one page revision notes, very simple way defined current and the SI unit of it and how is it measured. So in the same way, series, Ohm's law, the graph as well. So, and also the parallel circuit. So, what would be the same here, whether it is voltage or the current, how the current divides. So, each and everything explained it a very simple way. So, this particular chapter would really be very much helpful for you. So, I can just say that excellent physics join with us. So, anyone who is really interested to know more chapters, so please do messages. So, here is our number. Thank you so much.